Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is our fifth lecture. Our chapter name is Be Kind. Now here I am giving explanation of the poem. Be kind to your father because when you were a young or a little child, for a little while think then who was the one who loved you more than anything else than your father. Your father was the one who heard and understood the very first word you spoke in your childhood. And your father shared your every happiness of your innocent childhood. Be kind to your father because he is old now. White color has mixed with his black hair and his hair has become grey. His feet have become weak, though once he was very brave and strong. Your mother is losing life day by day. Be kind to your mother because now on her forehead there are lines of old age and sorrow. You better try to make her happy and comfortable now. She has always been loving and generous to you always. Always remember your mother because she remembers you in her prayers. As long as God gave her life and she is alive, she will make you happy in your home when you are alone by her words of kindness and love. Even when she is near death, she would never stop loving you. Now be kind to your brother because there is a lot of love in his heart for you, even if happiness and joy leaves you. The feelings die, the feelings become dead even before they take birth or grow. If love and kindness leave a person's heart, be kind to your brother no matter whether you are near him or far away from him. The love of a brother will be like a jewel which is more pure and expensive. The love of a brother will be more pure and rich that pearls, gems which are found from the depth of the sea. Be kind to your sister because you does not know the depth of the true love which your sister has for you. The love of a sister is like a deep ocean which is hundreds of feet deep, but the surface of that sea always shines brightly. All the love and kindness which you have for every relation and family member will give you unlimited time of happiness and joy. The kindness will bring a blessing into your ways of success. The love and affection will make a worth crown. That crown will be more precious and valuable than wealth of fame. Now here we have a grammar topic. The topic name is degrees of comparison of adverbs. There are 3 degrees of comparison in adverbs: the positive, the comparative and the superlative. The adverbs form their comparative and superlative using er and est. And more and most. Adverbs that end in ly use the words more and most too from their comparatives and superlative. The one-syllable adverb use er in comparative form and est in the superlative form. Now here I am describing three degrees of comparison of adverbs: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative. The positive degree is early, comparative degree earlier and the superlative degree earliest. Now second one is fast, faster, fastest. Third one is hard, harder, hardest. Fourth one is high, higher, highest. Fifth one is late, later, latest. Sixth one is loud, louder, loudest. 7th one is near, nearer, nearest. 8th one is soon, sooner, soonest. Here so you are understand for all this. Please give feedback about the degrees of comparison, and for the coming lecture, Allah Hafiz.